In this video we are going to unbox Infinix Hot 10 Play. So this is the Infinix Hot 10 Play box. So let's start unboxing. First of all, from the box we will find a 10-watt charger of the phone. After the charger we will find the back cover of the mobile. After the mobile cover we will find some warranty cards and guides from the box, shop cards and many more. And at the end, the most important, ejector pin. It is used to eject SIM cards and SD cards. At the back of the phone you will find a 13 megapixel camera and a flash. And you will also find a fingerprint sensor, which is very useful. It has a 4 GB of RAM and a fast display. It has a power button and a volume button on the right side. And it has a charging jack and a headphone port at the bottom. If the video helped you, give a like to the video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until then, goodbye.